Starting with an important update. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju today introduced the Waqf Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha, highlighting key changes. The Waqf Act 1995, currently in force, is a law that regulates Waqf properties and their administration in India. It aims to ensure proper management, protection and governance of Waqf assets, which are properties donated for religious or charitable purposes under the Islamic law. The amendment bill proposed some key changes like the Waqf tribunal orders will now be appealable to the High Court. The Limitation Act of 1963 will apply to the Waqf properties upon the commencement of the Act. The Amendment Bill 2025 is set to be prospective in nature, ensuring that previously registered Waqf properties remain unaffected. Rijiju addressed concerns that removal of Waqf by user provision would lead to confiscation of religious properties like masjids and dargahs, stating that only disputed properties would be impacted. The bill does not interfere with religious practices but aims to improve property management. A key amendment is the removal of Section 40, which previously allowed the Waqf Board to declare any land as Waqf property, a provision Rijiju termed as draconian due to its alleged misuse. The bill also proposes to include non-Muslims in Waqf boards, arguing that these boards are statutory bodies dealing with properties rather than religious institutions. The bill also prohibits the creation of Waqf properties in tribal areas under Schedule 4 and 6 of the Constitution. Additionally, while initially proposing a 2-member Waqf tribunal, the bill now retains the existing 3-member structure and introduces an appeal provision to the High Court against tribunal decisions. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi today opposed the bill, arguing that it undermines fundamental rights, particularly by removing the Waqf by user provision, which courts have recognized. He pointed out that the bill limits inclusion of women in Waqf boards to only 2, unlike the 1995 Act, which allowed more. He claimed that the bill would affect ancient Waqf properties without documentation such as graveyards and accused the government of using the law to create fear among minorities and divide the society. Well, for more information on this, you can visit www.livelaw.in.